Since I have created a database, I need to create some tables or the relation inside the database. So this is very important to understand. You need to know a little bit of the theories behind the databases before you start. I recommend you to open up certain theories on in Google. You can Google and search and learn about these tables and some of the other theories like primary key, attributes, database types, that field types, and so on. So I'm not going to talk about that now in this video. I'm just going to talk about, I'm going to work on a table now. I'm going to create a table on the database I have created. So before that, I just want to browse some database and see the tables available. If I go to MySQL, which is a system database, if I go to click on the tables, you can see the many tables here. These are system tables. We shouldn't be touching this. If I go into this table proc, so I can see the table will be pop up here since there's no data on this table. If I go help relations, I have some data on this. That's great. So this is actually the fields in that table. The table name is help relation. So in there I can see certain data. So that have two fields actually, help topic ID and help keyword ID. These are the two fields on this table. So I shouldn't touch that, but I'm going to my database now. I'm going to create a table here, very simple table. Okay, so for me to do that, actually I'm going to create a name for this table. I say student. So I'm going to give a name for this table, and it will be asking the number of columns I need. I say 2 columns I need to create. When I click on go, look at what happened. You would see another window which is asking so many questions. Let's fill one by one. So here the name, it's been the name of the field. I will say st number, and it will be asking the data type of this field. There are many data types you need to learn, but one by one I'll be teaching when in my next video. There are a few data types here. So I'm selecting here as varchar. Varchar allow you to store character, number, symbols, and I define the length for this field, which means number of characters on this field. I will say maximally 10, or maybe I can reduce furthermore. I can say 6, and I go to the next field. We will ignore these other field for the time being, and I go to the next field. It is name, and it's again going to be varchar because I'm going to store character, number, symbol. Varchar representing character, number, symbol, which means that you can store character, number, symbols inside these fields. So I need to define the size for this field. Done. Here we go, and I say save. Ta-da! The table is created. You can see the table is already created. That is how you create a table using PHP MyAdmin graphically.